Making money on YouTube without showing your face is one of the most practical and realistic ways to build income online in Kenya today. Many people believe that you must be famous, confident on camera, or have expensive equipment to succeed, but that idea is no longer true. Around the world, thousands of creators are earning good money every month while staying completely anonymous. Some of them never speak, never appear, and still grow channels that reach millions of viewers. This method is not only possible, but it is also one of the smartest ways to start if you value privacy, consistency, and low startup costs. In Kenya, where opportunities for formal employment can be limited and the cost of living continues to rise, learning how to make money online is becoming more important every year. YouTube offers a unique advantage because it allows you to earn in dollars while living and spending in Kenyan shillings. This difference in currency value means that even a modest income from YouTube can significantly improve your lifestyle. For example, earning just $100 per month can translate to more than 10,000 Kenyan shillings, which can cover basic expenses like internet, food, or rent support. The journey begins with understanding what a faceless YouTube channel really is. A faceless channel is simply a channel where the creator does not appear on camera. Instead of using your face, you use other methods to deliver value to your audience. These methods include voice narration, text on screen, animations, stock videos, or even simple slideshows. Some channels use calm background music and subtitles, while others use strong voiceovers that guide the viewer through the content. The key idea is that the viewer focuses on the information, not the person. One of the biggest advantages of this model is that it removes fear. Many people delay starting because they are shy, worried about what others will say, or uncomfortable being seen online. With a faceless channel, that problem disappears. You can work quietly, build your skills, and grow your income without pressure. This makes it ideal for students, employed individuals, or anyone who wants to start a side hustle without exposing their identity. Another advantage is the low cost of starting. In Kenya, you can begin with very little money. A basic smartphone, internet connection, and free editing apps are enough to produce your first videos. You do not need a camera, studio, or expensive lighting. Your main investment will be time, effort, and consistency. Even your internet cost can be managed with monthly bundles of around 1,000 to 3,000 Kenyan shillings, depending on your provider and usage. Choosing the right niche is one of the most important decisions you will make. A niche is simply the topic or category your channel focuses on. The best niches are those that have high demand, attract advertisers, and remain relevant for a long time. In simple terms, you want content that people are always searching for. Examples include personal finance, business ideas, motivation, health tips, technology, and online income strategies. In Kenya, content about making money, saving, and starting small businesses performs especially well. Many young people are actively looking for ways to improve their financial situation, and they turn to YouTube for guidance. If you create helpful and honest content in this area, you can attract a loyal audience. Other strong niches include storytelling, where you share interesting stories or life lessons, and educational content where you explain topics in a simple way. Once you choose your niche, the next step is creating content that people actually want to watch. This is where many beginners struggle. It is not enough to upload videos. Your content must be clear, engaging, and useful. The first few seconds of your video are very important because they determine whether the viewer will continue watching or leave. You should start with a strong hook that captures attention. For example, you can begin with a surprising fact, a question, or a bold statement. After the introduction, your content should flow smoothly. Use simple English, clear explanations, and relevant visuals. If you are using a voiceover, make sure your voice is clear and easy to understand. If you are not comfortable using your own voice, you can use artificial intelligence tools that generate natural-sounding speech. These tools are becoming more advanced and can help you produce professional content without recording your own voice. Visuals are also very important. Since you are not showing your face, your visuals must carry the story. You can use free stock videos and images from platforms that provide high-quality content. Combine these visuals with text, transitions, and background music to create an engaging experience. Your goal is to keep the viewer interested from start to finish. Consistency plays a huge role in success on YouTube. Many people give up too early because they do not see results immediately. In reality, YouTube growth takes time. You may need to upload many videos before you start seeing significant views and subscribers. A good strategy is to upload at least 2 to 3 videos every week. Over time, your skills will improve and your content will become better. As your channel grows, you will start to understand what works and what does not. Pay attention to your analytics. See which videos get more views, which ones keep people watching longer, and which topics attract more engagement. Use this information to improve your future content. This process of learning and adjusting is what separates successful creators from those who quit. Monetization is the part that excites most people. There are several ways to make money from your channel in Kenya. The most well-known method is YouTube advertising revenue. To qualify, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 12 months. Once you are approved, YouTube will place ads on your videos, and you will earn money based on views and engagement. The amount you earn depends on your niche and audience. Channels that focus on finance, business, or technology usually earn more because advertisers pay higher rates in these areas. On average, you can earn between 200 and 1,000 Kenyan shillings for every 1,000 views. This means that if your video gets 100,000 views, you could earn a significant amount. Another powerful way to make money is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your link. You can promote online courses, software tools, or digital products that are relevant to your audience. For example, if your channel is about online business, you can recommend tools that help people start and grow their businesses. You can also create and sell your own digital products. These include ebooks, guides, templates, or courses. This method can be very profitable because you keep most of the income. Once you create the product, you can sell it repeatedly without additional cost. Many successful creators use this strategy to build a steady income stream. Sponsored content is another option as your channel grows. Companies may pay you to promote their products or services. This usually happens when you have built a strong audience and trust. Even small channels can get sponsorships if they target a specific niche with an engaged audience. Despite all these opportunities, there are common mistakes that you should avoid. One of the biggest mistakes is copying content from other creators. This can lead to copyright issues and may prevent you from monetizing your channel. Always create original content or use resources that allow reuse. Another mistake is ignoring search engine optimization. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and people use it to find information. You need to use the right keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags so that your videos can be discovered. Thumbnails are also important because they influence whether people click on your video. Patience is essential. Many people expect quick results, but success on YouTube is a long-term game. It may take months before you see meaningful income. However, if you stay consistent and keep improving, the results will come. The advantage is that once your videos start gaining traction, they can continue earning money for a long time without additional effort. To grow faster, you can also take advantage of short-form content. Platforms like YouTube Shorts allow you to reach a larger audience quickly. You can repurpose your long videos into shorter clips and attract more viewers to your channel. This strategy can help you gain subscribers faster and increase your overall reach. In the end, making money on YouTube in Kenya without showing your face is a real and achievable goal. It does not require fame, expensive equipment, or special connections. What it requires is consistency, creativity, and a willingness to learn. If you start today and remain committed, you can build a channel that generates income and opens new opportunities for your future. The journey may not be easy, but it is worth it. Every video you create is a step forward. Every lesson you learn brings you closer to success. With time, effort, and the right approach, you can turn your YouTube channel into a powerful source of income while staying completely anonymous.